Welcome back everybody. Today we are going to discuss a fascinating topic, the next real estate boom, uncovering emerging markets and investment strategies. As investors, we are always on the lookout for the next big opportunity and I am excited to dive into this topic with you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about emerging markets. These are countries or regions that are experiencing rapid economic growth and industrialization, providing an investor with significant opportunities for high returns. So what are some of the most promising emerging markets for real estate investors today? According to the recent reports, countries such as Vietnam, Mexico, India, and Nigeria are among the top contenders for real estate investment. These countries are witnessing rapid urbanization, a growing middle class, and increasing demand for housing and commercial spaces. Keep an eye on these markets as they can offer lucrative opportunities for savvy investors. Investment strategies. Now that we have identified some emerging markets, let's talk about the strategies you can use to capitalize on these opportunities. We will cover 3 key strategies. Strategy number 1. Buy and hold. This is a long-term strategy where you buy property in an emerging market and hold it for a significant period, typically 5 to 10 years or more. The goal is to benefit from both capital appreciation and rental income as property values and rent increase over time. To succeed with the buy and hold strategy, you need to identify markets with a strong growth potential and properties that offer a good return on investment. Look for indicators like population growth, infrastructure development, and increasing job opportunities, which suggest a market is on the rise. Number 2. Fix and flip. The short-term strategy involves buying properties in need of renovation, improving them, and selling them at a higher price. In emerging markets, this can be particularly profitable as the demand for quality housing often outpaces supply. To succeed with fix and flip strategy, you will need to identify properties with potential for significant value adds, such as those in up and coming neighborhood or near new developments. Strategy number 3. Real estate crowdfunding. This innovative investment approach allows you to pool your fund with other investment to invest in larger scale projects such as commercial developments or multi-unit residential buildings. This can provide access to high quality investment that might otherwise be out of reach for individual investors. To succeed with real estate crowdfunding, look for platforms that specialize in emerging markets and offer a range of investment opportunities. Be sure to do your due diligence on each project, considering factors like location, project returns, and track record of the developer. Risk and mitigation. Of course, investing in emerging markets also comes with its fair share of risk. Political instabilities, currency fluctuations, and a lack of transparency can all impact your investment. So how can you mitigate these risks? First and foremost, diversify your investment. By spreading your capital across different markets and type of properties, you can reduce the impact of any one market downturns on your overall portfolio. Second, work with trusted partners, whether it's a local real estate agent or crowdfunding platforms. And make sure you partner with experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of local market and can help guide your investment decisions. Conduct thorough research on your partner's track record and reputation to ensure you are working with reliable individuals. Third, keep yourself informed. Stay up to date with news and developments in the markets you are investing in. By being aware of political, economic, and social trends, you can make better informed decisions and anticipate potential challenges. Now let's dive into some specific investment tips for emerging markets that can help you maximize your returns. Investment tips. Tip number 1. Focus on urban areas. In emerging markets, cities tend to grow faster than rural areas, offering greater opportunities for capital appreciation and rental income. Look for neighborhoods that are experiencing population growth, infrastructure improvement, and new job opportunities. Tip number 2. Understand local regulation and taxes. Each country has its own set of law and regulation governing real estate investment. Be sure to familiarize yourself with local rules, including property ownership, taxes, and regulation on foreign investors. Tip number 3. Be patient and realistic. Investing in emerging markets can be highly rewarding, but it also requires patience. Realize that growth may not always be linear and be prepared for the occasional setbacks. Keep your expectations realistic and remember that the potential for high returns also comes with high risks. Tip number 4. Consider investing in real estate investment trust. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, it can offer exposure to emerging market real estate without the need to directly buy and manage properties. Look for the real estate investment trust with a focus on high growth markets and a strong back record of performance. Tip number 5. Leverage technology. Use online resources, data, and analytics tools to research markets, find properties, and assess potential investment. By leveraging technology, you can make better investment informed decisions and to stay ahead of the curve in emerging markets. In conclusion, investing in emerging market real estate can be a lucrative opportunity for those willing to take on the associated risk. By identifying promising markets, employment sound investment strategies, and following our tips, you can position yourself to benefit from the next real estate boom. As always, it is important to do your own research and consult with professionals before making an investment decision. Emerging markets can offer a significant reward, but it's crucial to be well informed and prepared to navigate the unique challenges they present. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the next real estate boom, uncovering emerging markets and investment strategies. I hope you found this discussion valuable, and I encourage you to stay tuned for more insight and tips on real estate investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, happy investing.